Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about English learning, and I have read that people those know more than one languages have healthy mind than others later in life. So I think that we should try to learn more languages. We are not able to learn so many languages because there 6,500 languages are spoken in the world, and we can't learn so many languages. If we travel to France, we are not able to speak the French language. If we travel to Germany, we are not able to speak the German language. In the same way, when we travel on different parts, in different parts of the world, so we are not able to speak the languages of those countries, because we know our national language and their national language is different, and we are not able to speak all the languages. So what to do? The main thing is that we should learn the common language. And what is the common language? English is the common language, mostly spoken second language in the world. So with the help of this language, we can improve ourselves. If we travel, we can get a lot of benefits due to this language, because on this planet, one person amongst five people, one person amongst five on this planet know a little bit English language. He can understand or speak English language a little bit. So if you travel any part of the world, there you will find any person who can a little understand or speak English language with you, and in this way you can get help of that person. So I think that one common language beside our national language is necessary to improve, to learn, and that is the English language, international language. So this is widely spoken language in the world. In each and every country you will find people those know English language, and with the help of this language you can communicate with them, and this language will give you the better opportunities of job. If you are willing to get job in all countries, job interviews are conducted in English language, and those people are given the priority who know the English language. And if you don't know the English language, there are the chances that you will be rejected from getting the job. So I think that it is much necessary for a person who has international kind of mentality, who is willing to travel around the world, to know the English language, because this language will give him a lot of facilities. Otherwise, this is the language of media. So many articles, so many content on social media you will find in English language, and with the help of those content, with the help of those videos which are in English language, you can know more about the world. I think that learning English required passion, dedication. If you are interested to learn, then you can learn, and if you are not interested, then I think it is difficult for you to learn or improve other languages. So this learning other languages will be beneficial for you, for the health of your mind, because as I told you that those people are healthy mind who know more than one languages. So learn this language, improve this language, and give your feedback below in comment box about your views, about your suggestions. What are your suggestions? You can share below in comment box, so that we would read them and would give you a reply. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.